lifting all the way up onto your toes, generous bend in the knees. We're coming all the way down to kneeling position in the back of the mat. You can close your eyes here, maybe taking a big circle with your shoulders, finding that space across your chest. So your next inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way out and up. Exhaling, we twist towards the left. Inhaling, reaching back up. Exhaling, twisting towards the right. And then inhaling, reaching both of the hands back up. Palms meet. Come down to heart center. Let your shoulder blades drop down your spine, unclenching your jaw. Just taking a last few moments here. The last few rounds of breath. To thank yourself for this movement. For inviting